So it's time to draw the winner for the LogOX WoodOX Sling. But before we do that, we got a nice little surprise here from Austin over at LogOX.
Hi everyone, my name is Austin Roberts, one of the co-founders of the LogOX, and on behalf of everybody here, I just want to say thank you to Eric for putting on this great giveaway, and for all of you for participating, for sharing it. Seeing your comments has also been awesome, and we just really appreciate the support. We are now up to about $26,000 pledged on Kickstarter. We've got 9 days left. And one of the things we really like about Kickstarter and kind of crowdfunding in general is to bring a new product to market, we're able to bring it directly to you, as opposed to going to a bank or venture capitalist or anything like that to try to get funding for initial production run. We're just able to offer you guys a great discount up front. You guys will also get the first crack at getting it when it goes through the first production. So it's just a great win-win, and we've been really thankful for everybody and all their support so far. So if you don't win, we're still there for the next 9 days, and we ask that you continue to share this link and share information about our project, and come support us on Kickstarter and get yours at a discounted rate. So anyway, without further ado, I just wanted to announce that we are going to be giving away one of these, as we had talked about before. But on top of that, we're also going to be adding a couple extra little things, okay? So because we like to over-deliver here at LogOX, we're going to be giving away one of these along with the grand prize of the WoodOX Sling. It's a LogOX 3-in-1 forestry multi-tool, as I'm sure you've probably seen on Eric's channel before. And then we're going to be giving away two more, one for the second place prize, and then one also for the third place prize. And hey, while you're at it, when you DM Eric your information, tell him what t-shirt size you are, and we'll give you one of these as well, Team LogOX shirt, just to say thanks. So anyway, we really appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much. Please continue to share this. We're on for another 9 days, and we're really looking forward to hitting that goal, and we know we can do it with your help. Thanks so much.
So how awesome is that? A couple additional prizes here. They did that last year. We did the LogOX 3-in-1 forestry giveaway. They threw in a couple extras. We are going to do something a little bit different this year because I got so much grief last year on doing this. Last year I picked the third place winner first, then the second, and then the first, and went down like that. But then a lot of people said, well, if they went to throw those additional prizes in there, technically the first person you picked would have been the first place winner, and I just got a lot of grief for that. So what we'll do is we'll do it opposite this year. The very first person we're going to pick is going to be the first place winner, so they get that 3-in-1 forestry package as well as the LogOX WoodOX Sling. And then the second place winners and the third place will, go down the line there. So let's run to the computer here. We'll pull up the video and pick some random comments. So the very first thing we'll do is we'll bring up the video here, which is this one. Copy link location. And I got this random comment selector. It does remove like the duplicates and everything. We'll paste that in there. Looks like 198 viewers, so your chances of winning are a little bit better than the lottery. So what we'll do is we'll hit start. Good luck, everybody. And Shaggy Mullet, that's a username right there. So that's the first place winner. That'll be for the LogOX forestry package as well as the WoodOX Sling. Let's go around and pick another winner for the second place, just the LogOX Sling bag. Do start. Looks like we got Steve D. And now we'll pick our third place winner here. Share it on Facebook account. We got Michelle Weber. Congratulations to all you guys. I just want to take a second and just say thank you to all you guys that watch the videos all the time. Leave comments, share the videos. It really does mean a lot, especially the regulars that I see commenting over and over and over. I just kind of, I feel like I get to know you just by your comments and stuff, seeing those names all the time, and we're just building such a great community over here. And just really wanted to say thank you. Big thank you to LogOX for supporting this amazing community. It really does mean a lot. And don't forget, you guys can go over and back that Kickstarter campaign if you're still interested in a WoodOX Sling. Help bring this to market. Be able to get it out a discounted rate. Really, they make top-notch products. I absolutely love their hauler. And this sling has just been a game changer here over the last couple weeks. Love it. So if you're a winner, congratulations. Really, really excited for you. What I'm going to ask is that you send an email to me. My email is down in the description below. And I'm gonna reply back just asking you to come back to this video and leave a comment with the secret passphrase or something that I give you, just so that I can verify that it's truly you and it's not just someone saying, hey, I'm so-and-so. And then we'll exchange contact information and shirt sizes, and we'll start getting things processed and headed your way. Once again, thank you guys so much. Hopefully we can do another giveaway like this here in the near future. Really want to say thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.